Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, area of a trapezium and a polygon. So first I discuss about the definition of trapezium. In previous video I already given the definition of trapezium. So what is trapezium? What is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel side. Okay, so what is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel side. This is a symbol of parallel. So one pair of parallel sides. Okay. First we draw, if these two sides are parallel, so one pair of parallel side is there and other two sides. Okay. So it is a trapezium. Trapezium. One more thing is there, isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. So what is isosceles trapezium? When the non-parallel side of a trapezium become equal, then is called isosceles trapezium. So in case of in definition of trapezium, there is no condition about the non-parallel side. So non-parallel side may or may not be parallel in case of only the definition of trapezium. But when we will discuss about isosceles trapezium, then non-parallel side must be equal. So these two sides parallel and other two sides must be equal length. So length of this one and length of this one is equal. So what is isosceles trapezium? If the non-parallel side of a trapezium is equal, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Okay. Next I will discuss some previous formulas. After that we will enter in the main topic. So recall. Area of a rectangle. Everyone know rectangle equal to length into breadth. Okay. So if you write length into breadth, then no need to write the unit, because when you put the value of length, there is one unit, and when you put the value of breadth, there is another one unit. So unit into unit. That means if the length and breadth both are given in centimeter, so centimeter into centimeter. That means centimeter is square and is also we also can say that square centimeter. Okay. So area of a rectangle, length into breadth, unit square or square unit. And one thing, always the unit of area is unit square. That means centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, not centimeter or meter. Okay. So keep in your mind, when you will talk about the area, then unit must be unit square or square unit. Okay. Area of a square, sides square, unit square or square unit. Area of a triangle, half into base into height. Okay. So here no need to write the unit now, because when put the value base base and height, then 2 units can, and you write a unit square. Okay. So area of triangle having to length, base into height. Area of a parallelogram, base into height. Area of a circle, pi r square, square unit or unit square. Okay. Here I written the unit because you write here not radius, only r, that means only one value. So you must write unit square. But when you are talking about this one, so you write base, that means 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So here no need to write unit square. I think you understood. If you let the value of side is a, so a square, unit square, or square unit. Okay, I think everyone understood. So area of a circle, pi r square. Area of a semicircle, semi, that means half of the circle. So if area of total circle is pi r square, then what is the value of its half? Pi r square by 2. Okay. So this is the formulas related to areas. Okay. Now we will enter into the topic. So area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. So what is the area of a trapezium? The formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So if it is this side parallel, if the value of this side is a and value of this side is b, then formula become half into a plus b. And what is the meaning of height? Height, that means the shortest distance from these two lines. Okay. So shortest distance, and when the distance is shortest or less distance, minimum distance, when if we draw perpendicular to the base from any point from the upper line. Okay. Or if you draw from this point, from here, perpendicular, then this become height or altitude. This height is also called altitude. Okay. If value of this one is h, then the formula become h square unit or unit square. Okay. So this is the formula of a trapezium. Very easy, and total chapter depend with this formula. Not total chapter, first exercise maybe. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the explanation of the formula, how to formula came. Okay. And it is directly not related into the syllabus. So if it is for those students who are very interested about math. So I will explain here how to this formula come. Okay. Directly not related to the syllabus. You can skip the this 1 or 2 minutes. So now I will going to discuss how to formula K. So area of any trapezium. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium where AB parallel to CD. We will find the area of the trapezium ABCD. First, we draw two perpendicular. Draw two perpendicular and give the name EF. Since these two D and CF is perpendicular, then value of this one and value of this one equal. So value of CD equal to value of EF. Okay, these two value equal. So it become rectangle. So area of the trapezium, that means area of first triangle plus area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle. So area of the trapezium ABCD is equal to area of the triangle. No need to write triangle. I define here symbolically. Area of the triangle DAE plus area of the rectangle DCDEF plus area of the triangle CFB. Okay. So what is the formula of area of a triangle? Half into length, base into height. Height, that means perpendicular distance, so it is the height. So half into base AE into height D plus area of the rectangle, this rectangle, length into breadth, that means EF into CF plus area of this triangle is half into base into height, base, that means FB into height CF. Okay, it become, we take half and AE common, AE, then here DE left, so there is no half, so it's multiplied by 2 AE common, yes, there is no AE, no DE, yes. And DE and EF equal, because these two lengths are perpendicular, so DE equal to CF, not EF, DE equal to CF, because these two are the height of the trapezium, and height not the value of height are equal. Okay, so DE or CF equal value. So in place of DE we write CF. So here CF, here CF, and here also CF. So we take common CF. Then here 2EF plus plus FB. Okay, it is the value. We take half CF common since there is no 2, so we can think in this way, half into 2, so we take common half and 2 is there. Or if you multiply it by this value, then this value, then the value is become this line. Okay, so it can be written as CF DE plus EF plus FB plus EF, 2EF plus, that means EF plus EF. We write these three value together, because if we add these three value, then the result come AB, total AB, AE plus, here not DE, AE, here also AE, AE plus EF plus FB equal to AB. So value of these three equal to AB. So half into, we write CF at the last, half into value of this one AB, and EF equal to CD. So in place of EF we can write CD, and value of height is CF. So it is the formula. So AB, that means the base side, and CD, that means upper side. So value of these two is sum of parallel side. Okay, so half into sum of parallel side, and CF, that means height of the trapezium. That's why we write the formula half into sum of parallel side into height. It is the formula of a trapezium, and it is the explanation. Okay. Yeah. No more thing is there. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Exercise also very easy. Page number. What is the page number? This old book. Exercise 16A. 1 number question, find the area of the following trapezium. Here height and parallel side given, we only put the write the formula and put the value, and we get the result. So 2 number, what is the question? A garden is in the form of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 40 meter and 22 meter, and the trapezium and the perpendicular distance between them is 12. So given length of the parallel side, length of the parallel sides are, length of the parallel side are 40 meter and 22 meter, and perpendicular distance, that means height. So perpendicular distance between them is 12, and perpendicular distance, that means height, equal to 12 meter. Okay, therefore area of the garden, since the garden is from trapezium, so area of the garden and area of the trapezium is same. So area of the garden equal to half into sum of parallel side, that means 40 meter, plus, no need to write unit here, at the last we write meter square because this area, So 22 into 12 meter. So half into 62 into 12 meter. So 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12, 6 6 are 36, and carry on 37 meter square. So it is the answer. The answer is 372 meter square. Okay. Two parallel sides of a trapezium are 85 centimeter and 36 centimeter, and its area is 2664 centimeter square. Find its altitude. Altitude, that means height. So parallel side given and area given. So we have to find the altitude. So 3 number question, let the height or altitude, same thing, height be x centimeter. Okay. So ATQ, according to the question, area given. So area is 2664, and first we find the area using this x and parallel side and area given in the question. So these two values are equal, because in both cases we have to find the area of trapezium. So in formula, by the formula, area of the trapezium is sum of parallel side, that means 85 into 63 into, not into, sum of parallel side, that means plus, into x equal to 2664, and no need to write the unit, because in this side the unit is centimeter square, x centimeter. In this side also centimeter square, and centimeter square centimeter will cut. So no need to write the unit in ATQ according to the question. When you write according to the question, then no need to write the side, but you must write here centimeter or meter, otherwise your math is not correct. Okay. So from here we can find the value of, become 5388614 equal to 2 into x, 2664 implies 74. So x equal to 2664 by 74 implies x equal to, so what is the value? It is your homework. Therefore the value of required altitude is, okay, find the value and put here. Here you get one value, and what is the value of altitude or height? X centimeter. So put the value of x here and centimeter. 3 number. Phone number also easy. Phone number, find the height, same thing. So phone number, your taps. Phone number, same thing. Find the height of the trapezium. There also the parallel sides and area given. Okay. 5 number. Find the sum of the length. Find the sum of the length of bases of a trapezium whose altitude is 17 centimeter and whose area is 85 centimeter. Okay. So 5 number also very easy. If we put the given value in the formula, then we get the sum of parallel side or sum of bases. So given height equal to 17 centimeter and area 0.85 meter square. So units are not equal. So our first aim is we first convert both value in same units. So you can convert this centimeter into meter or this meter square into centimeter square. If you convert this value in centimeter this height into meter, then we have to divide by 100. But in case of meter square, so meter square, that means meter into meter. So we convert this centimeter to centimeter and this centimeter this meter to centimeter. Okay. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and another 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That means 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. That's why when we convert meter square to centimeter square, we must be multiplied by 10,000, not 100. If you multiply by 100, then your answer absolutely wrong. Okay. So if we convert this value into centimeter square, then we have to multiply it by 10,000. 100 into 100 centimeter square, then it's become 85,000 and decimal before 2 digit, that means here, so no need to write the zeros. Centimeter square. We know that half into sum of parallel sides into height equal to 8500. No, area equal to area. Why we write in this way? Because we have to find the sum of parallel side. That's why we write in this way. You can write in this way also, area equal to this value. Then you put the value and again you change the size. So it is easy to write, or it is so we write in this way. Put the value implies half into sum of parallel sides into 17 centimeter equal to 8500 centimeter square, implies sum of parallel sides equal to, so this 2 goes this side and it become multiply 8500 into 2 and 17 divided by 70 centimeter square by 17 centimeters. So 1 centimeter will cut. So sum of parallel sides equal to 17 5 ja, so 500, that means centimeter equal to, so 1000 centimeter, that means 1000 by 100 meter, that means 10 meter. Okay, so value of the sum of parallel sides equal to 10 meter. Very easy. 6 number, if we at the first, if we let the sum of parallel side be x centimeter or x, then no need to write sum of parallel side. That's why we at the first we let the sum of parallel side be x. Okay, in this way you can solve this math. Okay, first you let the sum of parallel side be x, then here in place of sum of parallel side you put x, then no need to write more and more. Okay, as you wish, you can also solve that way also. Next, the area of a trapezium is 210 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is double of other, find two parallel sides. Very easy. 6 number. So what is the question? The question is, okay, today I will try to display the question in the video. Okay. So the question is, the area of the trapezium is 210 centimeter square and its height 14 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is double of that of other, find the two parallel side. So if one is x, then other is 2x, and put x and 2x. So from there we can find the value of x. Okay. So let the value of one side, value of value let the value of one side be x, and what is the unit? Centimeter. So x centimeter. Therefore value of other is double, that means 2x centimeter. Okay. So here area given, and by using formula we get one area, and both are area of the trapezium, so both area are equal. So we can directly write 80 cube according to the question, half into sum of parallel side, that means one is x, another is 2x, into height given in the book 14 centimeter, equal to 210. Okay. So here no need to write the unit, because in this side also centimeter is square, in this side also centimeter is square. From here the value of x comes only with numeral value, not with unit. And when you write the result, in place of x you write the numeral value and centimeter is there. Okay. So what is the value? 7. So x plus 2x, 3x into 7 equal to 210, or x equal to 210 by 3 into 7. So if we cut by 7, then it becomes 30. 3 10 is 30. So value of x is 10. Therefore the values of the parallel sides, are, one is 10 centimeter and another is 2x, that means double. 2 into 10, that means 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Very easy. Seven numbers. The area of trapezium is perpendicular is 15. Difference between two parallel sides is 16. Find the length of the parallel side. This one also same. Here the condition is the difference between the difference of parallel sides is 16 meter. Okay. So here given the difference of the parallel side is 16 meter. Difference is 16 meter. That means if, okay, which number? 7 number. If the two sides are x and y, then difference of x minus y, we let the value of x is greater, bigger side is x, then smaller is y plus 16. If smaller side is x, y or x, then bigger side is x plus 16. Okay, understood? Let the smaller side is x and bigger is y. Then y minus x is 16. That means y equal to x plus 16. So if the value of smaller side is x, then value of bigger side is x plus 16. These two value put in the formula and area given. Similar math. Okay. Let the one of the parallel side be x. One of the or smaller. Okay. Let the smaller side be x, or you can write one of the parallel side be x, centimeter or meter. Therefore other side is x plus 16 meter, or you can write in this way. Let the smaller side be x, then bigger side x plus 16. Okay, you can write any way. ATQ, height is given in the question, 16 meter. Height 16 meter given in the book. So area by using formula half into sum of parallel side. One side is x and another is x plus 16 equal into height 16 meter equal to the area. Area also given in the book, 300 meter. Or not, sorry, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 15, not 16. That means height given 15 meter. Okay. So this 2 goes there. In this 2x plus x 2x plus 16 into 15 equal to 300 into 2, or 2x plus 16 equal to 300 into 2 by 15. 15 to the 30. So 2x plus 16 equal to 22 is 40, or 2x equal to 40 minus 16 implies 2x equal to 4 to 24, or x equal to 24 by 2 implies x equal to 12. So value of one side is 12, therefore the value of the parallel sides are, value of one side is x meter, that means 12 meter, and another is x plus 16, that means 12 plus 16, 28 meter. Okay. Next, 8 number also similar. 8 number question is, the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio. So previously I already told, when ratio given, that time we can take the value in this way, 3x, 5x. Okay. So let the parallel sides. Okay, one time I read the whole thing. The length of the parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio 3:5, and distance between them is 10 cm. If the area of the trapezium is 120 cm square, find the length of its parallel sides. So let the length of the parallel sides are 3x centimeter or meter, and 5x centimeter. Similar, we find the area by using formula, and another area given in the book. Since these two values are the area of trapezium, so these two values are equal. By using this condition, we can find the value of x. So ATQ, sum of parallel side, that means 3x and another is 5x, and value of height is 10 meter, equal, and area 120 centimeter, 10 meter or 10 centimeter. Okay. From here you can find the value of x. So it is your task. From here find the value of x. So value 3 into x centimeter and 5 into x centimeter. So from here you find the value of x. Okay, very easy. 9 number question is, two parallel side of an isosceles trapezium is 6 meter and 14 centimeter. The length of each non-parallel side is 5. Find the area of the trapezium. Here the length of the parallel side given and length of the non-parallel side given. Non-parallel side, that means five, 6. Wait. The bigger value is 6 and lower value is 14. 6, 14, 6. In this way. 45.5. The question is find the area of the trapezium. So in formula of area, the formula is half into sum of parallel sides. So parallel side given, there is no problem, into height. This is not height, is the not height of the trapezium. It's not the height, because height that means perpendicular distance. So we first draw the figure. We draw two perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. We need the value of this distance. So how to find the value? If we can find the value of this one, then by using Pythagoras theorem we can find the value of this one, because it is right angle triangle. Okay, and in right angle triangle we know that hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Okay, from using this formula, by using this formula we can find this value. So first we find the value of this one. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So value of AB equal to 6. Which number? 9 number. From the figure, AB equal to EF equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, these two parallel. Since it is a isosceles trapezium, so in this value of CF and value of DF also equal. So CF equal to DF, DE, CF equal to DE. These two values are equal, and total value is 14. Total value is 14. So if we subtract this value, then only CF and DE is left. So CF plus EF plus DE equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, implies CF and DE equal. So CF plus EF, value of EF is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter plus CF and DE and CF equal. So it is also CF, so 14 centimeter. So CF plus CF, 2CF equal to 14 minus 14 centimeter minus 6 centimeter. So 2CF or CF equal to 14 minus 6, 8 by 2 centimeter, or CF equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so it is 4 centimeter. Since it is a right angle triangle, so we can use here Pythagoras theorem. Or Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to length square plus breadth square. So by now, from the triangle ACF. So which is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse always opposite to right angle. So it is right angle, and the sides opposite to right angle is CF, and CF is hypotenuse. So AC square, so hypotenuse square equal to length square plus base square. So CF square plus AF square. Why we use this formula? Because in this formula two value is given, so we can find third value. Third value, that means AF, and AF, that means height of the trapezium. Okay. So if we find the this AF, then we use the formula half into sum of parallel side into height. Okay. So value of CF is 4 square. Write this value in this side, because we find the value of AF and the unknown the value which we have to find, we always write in left hand side. Okay. AF square equal to AC, that means 5 square. That means AF square equal to 25 minus 4 for the 16. AF square equal to 9. That means AF equal to root over 9. Root over 9 equal to plus minus 3. Okay. Plus minus 3, and AF is the length of the trapezium. So length cannot be negative. That's why we take only positive value. Because minus 3 into minus 3 is also 9, 3 into 3 also 9. So here we take only positive value. So 3. Therefore the value of the height, therefore AF equal to 3 centimeters. Understood? Now we can easily find the value of the area. So what is the area of the trapezium? Therefore the required area is area equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into 6 plus 14 into height, that means AF 3, and unit centimeter square. So half into 20 into 3 centimeter square, 10 30 centimeter square. So what is the result? 30 centimeter square. The result is 30 centimeter square. We'll check the answer. We don't know what is the answer. Which exercise? 60K. Yes, the result is correct. Figures 1, 12, 28 is correct. 10, 20 also correct. 5 number 10 meters. We forgot. 4 number 20 centimeters. 4 numbers we not solve. 4 number, 3 number 36. 3 numbers. Number 36. C number, I forgot the C number. What is the answer? Okay, I will think later when I will see the video again. pin number same as the 7 number. 7 or yes, 7 number. Pin number. The pin number question is ABCD is a trapezium of area 91 centimeter square. CD is parallel to AB and CD is longer than AB by 8 centimeter. Distance between height given 7, height equal to 7, AB equal to x centimeter, then CD equal to x plus 8 centimeter. Let AB equal to, therefore CD equal to 80 half into sum of parallel side, one side is x and another is x plus 8 into height, that means 7, equal to area given 91. Okay, from here you can find the value of x. Okay, it is your task. Find it from here, find the value of x and this value put in here, x centimeter and x plus 8 centimeter. Very easy. 11 number, this 10 number. 11 number is find the cost of watering a trapezoidal field whose parallel side at 10 meter and 25 meter respectively, and the perpendicular distance between them 15 centimeter. Find the rate of watering is, and the rate of watering is 4 rupees per meter square. So very easy. The question is we have to give the water in total area 1 meter. The cost for 1 meter square watering 1 meter square is 4. So first we find the area of the trapezoidal field. So what is the area? Half into sum of parallel side, that means which number? 10 plus 25 into height. Height is 15 centimeter. These two value given in meter, and we have to find the cost of watering per meter square. Given cost of watering 4 rupees per meter square. So we have to find the area in meter square. So height given 1.15 centimeter. So it equal to 0.15 meter. Okay, 0.15 meter. So given height equal to 0.15 meter, therefore area of the trapezium 0.15 meter square. It is your task. Meter square. Find the value and write here meter square. Therefore cost of watering. Watering equal to, so given in 1 meter square the cost is 4. Cost is rupees 4. In 2 meter square rupees 4 into 2. In 3 meter square rupees 4 into 3. So in x meter square rupees x into x. So find the value first. So what is the result? Into rupees 4, and write the result here, rupees this much. Very easy. 12th number. The parallel side of a trapezium 25 centimeter, 13 centimeter, non-parallel side equal being 10 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. Here also very easy. Okay. So 12th number. from the triangle ACD we can find the value of AD, and AD is the height of the trapezium because it is perpendicular distance. AD is the height of the trapezium. So from the triangle parallel side also given in the question. So parallel side given, we need only the height. So directly height not given. From the triangle ACD we can find the height. So from the triangle ACD hypotenuse AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square. So we write this value in this side. So value of AD is 41, not 41, 40. Value of AD 40. 40 square plus AD square. 40 square plus AD square equal to 41 square. So 41 square, that means our value of AD square equal to root over 41 square. 41 square minus 40 square. So 41 square minus 40 square, you can find this value by using the formula you already used in factorization. A square minus B square, that means A plus B into A minus B. If we use this formula, then A minus B value of 1. So it equal to AD square equal to 41 minus 40 into 41 plus 40. A plus B into A minus B. You can write A minus B into A plus B, no problem, because multiplication is commutative. So value of this one is 1 and value of this one 81. So AD equal to root over value of this one 81. That means 9. Now you can use the formula. Value of height is 9 and value of parallel side one side is 15 and another is 40 centimeter. So what is the result? Half into 15. Okay, I solved here. Therefore the required area is half into sum of parallel side given 15 plus 40, 15 plus 40, and height is 9 unit centimeter square. So find this value right here, centimeter square. This one is the square answer. Oh, sorry, it is 31. Question number 31. 12 number question. 12 number also similar. Same to question number 30. Same to question number 7. 12 numbers same as question number 7. Number last method. 14 numbers very easy. Okay, I have no more energy to doing the class. Okay, 14 number very easy. What is the 14 number question? Find the area of the figure. So we find area of the total figure, that means area of this triangle plus area of this trapezium plus area of this triangle plus area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. Very easy. The value is the area of this triangle half into 20 into 30 plus area of this trapezium half into sum of parallel side, that means sum of parallel side given, not given. Yes, given. these two side parallel, 20 plus 30, 20 plus 30 or 20 plus 70, total is 70. This value here 40, here 30, 70 into 20 plus 30, height is 70. 20 plus 30, total height is 70, plus half into 30 into 50. Next one, half into 30, half into 50 into 80, and these two triangle plus half into 50 into 70. Okay, today I have no more energy, so it is your homework or task, and try to solve the math. If you have any problem, text me personally, or I will provide the answer in the group. So tata.